Hi, my name is Anna Fox Ryan, and I'm very excited to invite you to take a workshop with me. It's called Ignite Your Creator, Taking Creativity to the Next Level. I'm an artist, and I'm also a researcher in consciousness development and power dynamics in relationship. So this course is going to be a little different than what you might be used to in an art workshop. We're going to be working on a painting, and the primary focus is actually going to be on your creative process, or what I like to call the creative cycle. There are different ways that we show up in relationship, and this is what we're focusing on, is our relationship to ourselves through the creative process, through to our inspiration, to that which we are creating, which in this case will be a painting, but in the rest of your life it could be relationships, it could be a career, it could be anything that you are building. So we're going to have a lot of discussion, there's going to be writing, and of course there will be painting. And I look forward to sharing all of this with you on January 31st and February 1st at Scottsdale Artist School. So I hope you'll join me there. See you soon.